Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. To Madam Masrita binti Muhammad Ilyas Batsri. Today, we would like to present about our practical geodetic horizontal control using combined triangulation and trilateration method. In Geodesy 2, DCG 50173. We are from Group 1, consisting of Siti Nur Hidayah binti Nazri, 01DGU 20F1007, Nurul Syafiqah binti Mat Farizan, 01DGU 20F1011, Ni Nur Nabiha Husna binti Muhammad Wazir, 01DGU 20F1013, Ahmad Azhan Fikri bin Azmi, 01DGU 20F1017, and lastly, Hafizuddin bin Abdul Razak, 01 DGU 20F1022. This is presentation contents. Is introduction, objective, procedure, data and result, and lastly, conclusion. So this is introduction of triangulation. The method of surveying called triangulation is based on the trigonometric proposition that if one side and two angles of a triangle are known, the remaining side can be computed. Furthermore, if the direction of one side is known, the direction of the remaining side can be determined. A triangulation system consists of a series of joint or overlapping triangles in which an occasional side is measured and remaining either calculation from angle measured at the vertical of the triangles. The vertical of the triangles are known as triangulation station. The side of the triangle whose length is predetermined is called the baseline. The line of triangulation system form a network that tie together all the triangulation station. The classification of triangulation figure is performance based on the accuracy with which the length and the azimuth of a line of the triangulation are determined. The triangulation system often can take different accuracy, which is merely depend on the extent and the purpose of the survey. In triangulation system also, a number of interconnected triangles are traced and measured to determine the relative position of the points spread over an area. Next part, I pass to Siti Nur Hidayah.
Next, I'm Hidayah will continue this presentation. This is the objective of our triangulation work. First, to establish accurate control for plan and geodetic survey of large area. Second, to determine accurate location of point in engineering works. And third, to establish accurate control for photogrammetric survey. And the last one is student can gain a deeper understanding of how survey triangulation works.
Triangulation. Okay, so first step, gather all the tools including the tool station, prism and tripod. Check the condition of the tool and make sure all the instruments are in good condition. Take all inspect instrument to an open area. Next, perform the FT on the tools to check for error and determine whether or not it is working properly and whether or not it can be used for survey work. Then go to the site area that has been given by the lecturer and find a suitable position to start work. Next, step 4 is after the area is determined, choose a 4-point triangulation station with a distance of exceeding 100 meter. Okay, so untuk pembuatan kerja, ambil alat seperti total station, prism dan tripod dan periksa keadaan alat tersebut, kemudian lakukan DFT iaitu Different Field Test untuk memeriksa keadaan alat tersebut sama ada ia berfungsi dengan baik atau tidak. Jika berfungsi dengan baik, terus ke kawasan kerja iaitu di Padang Kampus B. Seterusnya, pilih 4 poin di setiap 4 untuk mewakili 4 penjuru triangulation dan jarak di antara titik tersebut ialah tidak melebihi 100 meter. Okay, next. Okay, ini prosedur traverse. Okay, so first take the equipment and make sure the equipment is in good condition before use by calibrating the different field tests. Then set up a specification tool on CRM7 using the data value from CRM7 to CRM8. We create the baseline that performs CRM7 to station 4 to start the survey work to find out coordinate of the 4 control points. Then install the Prism device at station 4 as a rear side and Prism station 4 to station 1 as a front side. Adjust this instrument through the circle bubble located in the center. Okay, so untuk pertama, kita gunakan dua CRM yang berada dekat kawasan kerja iaitu CRM7 dan CRM8. Dapatkan nilai kedua CRM tersebut dan lakukan terabas untuk mendapatkan nilai koordinat. Jadikan CRM7 dan CRM8 dan jadikan satu stesen dari stesen triangulation sebagai baseline untuk dapatkan setiap koordinat. Okey, so seterusnya untuk prosedur kerja triangulation, dirikan alat di stesen 1 dan ambil nilai stesen 2, stesen 3 dan stesen 4 daripada stesen 1 dengan masukkan nilai 0, 90 darjah, 180 darjah dan 270 darjah. Untuk 0 darjah, ambil nilai bearing ke seluruh stesen dan bila sampai ke stesen 4, dapatkan nilai stesen 4 selepas itu dan kembali ke stesen 2 untuk dapatkan perbezaan daripada pemilihan kanan. Begitu juga dengan nilai seterusnya iaitu 90, 180 dan 270 darjah. Pastikan nilai perbezaan tiada error untuk menjadikan kerja triangulation kami ini berjaya. Seterusnya saya serahkan kepada presenter yang seterusnya.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nurul Syafiqah binti Mafarizan. Today I will present about data analysis and result of triangulation. It is the booking data that has been recorded during the triangulation observation work. As you can see, it is the data from station TK1 where it observed TK2, TK3, TK4 and TK2 back. Next is the data from station TK2 where it observed TK3, TK4, TK1 and TK3 back, and station TK3 where it observed TK4, TK1, TK2 and TK4. Next is the data from station TK4 where it also observed TK1, TK2, TK3 and TK1 station. This is the triangulation calculation that has been made by using a method of equal shift. As shown above, the angle for the observed triangulation has been corrected and we succeed to get the 360 degree. The data is closed. This is a triangulation sketch. This is the sketch of our triangulation where its angle has been adjusted, and also we managed to obtain the coordinate by using a traverse. This is the booking of a traverse, and is a traverse sketch. This is the linear misclosure calculation for traverse, where the linear misclosure of this traverse is first class with 1 to 11,633.328.
Hi, my name is Samar Hafizuddin. I will continue our presentation with analysis. Okay, this triangulation measurement may not be exact or may contain error. Error in measurement can occur because of instrumental, personal, or natural error, or in other variety ways of it. To avoid the error, we need to spend more time to do this practical work because the weather will be hot at 11 a.m. So we need to stop the work to avoid from natural error. But be but we already done this work before the last day the of this work. And lastly, conclusion of the strangulation practical. In conclusion, we have learned a lot of this strangulation work. We all know that the triangulation is a method that can provide data that has high credibility and validity because it is seen and studied from a variety of directions where it uses qualitative and quantitative methods simultaneously. The researchers can make it fair decision on the subject because the decision is not made by one party alone. Test results are also cross-tests to determine their validity. A lot of thanks to our lecturer, Mrs. Masrita, because always help us doing this practical work until we are done. This practical work important to us to use during our industrial training later.
Thank you for lending us your ears.